What's going on, guys? We are out today because our new Super Duty has landed. We're going to take the Super Duty and turn it into our new flagship truck. Let's talk about what we've got here as our base. We've got a 2026 F-250 that came in the Argon Blue with the high output motor package. When it came to finding a base for our new flagship truck, we really were focused on the color, because blue is our color, and the interior. We wanted to make sure that we got all of the interior goodies that we needed. We got that smoke truffle interior, panoramic roof, and that Platinum Plus package. When it comes to the exterior though, we know that we're gonna take everything out there and we're gonna upgrade it past what stock could have ever imagined. You know, when a truck's rolling into our bay, it's gonna be a great build, so let's get to work. And here we are with the finish of stage one. First things first, suspension, wheels, and tires. On our Super Duty, we did the 5.5-inch Carli E-Venture system. That SDI Carli combination shock package is just tough to beat, giving us all that adjustability inside the cab. We also fully optioned out this kit. We had Carli's full torsion sway bar, their high and low mount steering stabilizers, their fabricated radius arms, and out back we installed their fabricated shackles and full progressive leaf pack. Now that suspension allowed us to fit a set of 40-inch Toyo MT tires wrapped around a set of Innov8 G600 wheels in that really great looking polished finish. Of course, there are some SDHQ bits that go onto this build to just round it all off. Starting up front, you're gonna see some SDHQ Built A-pillar mounts with Baja Designs XL80s on top. We've also got our Billet reservoir mounts on those E-Venture shocks. We've got our headlight level sensor brackets to keep everything nice and aligned and no lights on the dash. Out back on those shocks, we installed our SDHQ Built lower shock guards. And to help get those 40s in there with no rubbing, we installed our SDHQ Built bumper spacer kit. Now, under the hood, we wanted to keep things nice and factory looking, and we know we're gonna be adding more lights and accessories. So of course, SDHQ Built billet battery terminals and battery hold down kit right up under there. Stage one is quite the transformation. I love how this truck's looking, but you know we're not done. Stage two coming up.